Hi there, it's Alex from WTI. Recently I've gotten into manual die cutting, making amazing greeting cards, and I'm having so much fun doing it. And so I wanted to expand and try a stamp and cut set. And I thought this one here from Hero Arts would be a great addition to my new collection. It has simple sentiments, and I thought the hello stamp would be useful in many ways. I've been really happy with the results this stamp and cut set has provided. The clear stamps work well, and I like the variety that the set comes with. There is a true quality to these stamps because I can get a crisp outcome every single time I use it. I really appreciate that I can depend on Hero Arts when I'm crafting. This set was made with nice attention to detail. I like how they've included 3 little hearts to accent your sentiments and add diversity to your projects. It may seem insignificant to some, but I really feel that a company takes pride in their products when they include these extras like that. So if you're serious about stamping, I would recommend Hero Arts over and over. They make a number of different stamp and die cut sets. I just love how my projects are turning out with this stamp and die cut set from Hero Arts, and that's my point of view.